There is a test called Duolingo English test, and it will test our LSRW skills, listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. And yes, and it is also free of cost. If you want to know your level, means how much level you are in English, means like you want to test your listening ability, speaking, reading and writing and all your English level, means you can try for this test. Just now I have taken Duolingo English test and I have scored 115 to 125, which means advanced level. I'm really very happy, like it means I can understand and I can communicate English pretty well. Also, there is no pass or fail in this test. It's just about your level in your English. And this course, this English test, this Duolingo English test is scored out of 160. That means I got, out of 160, I got 115 to 125 around marks. Okay. So if you want to know your English level, means just try for it. It's really very good experience. Like it will test listening skills and reading, writing and speaking skills. Just go for it and let me know in the comment section how much score you scored in the test. Okay. So all the best for your exam. It's just a practice test. That's it.